Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Discord tag without purchasing Nitro. So if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So you can either do this on the Discord app or you can do it on the web-based application. And today I'll be doing it on the web-based application for this example. It doesn't really matter, it's just down to personal preference. So what we're going to do is just come to Discord or open the app and log in. So once we're logged in, you can see down here in the bottom left hand corner, the tag is actually this thing here, this little hashtag and the number. So to change this, what you want to do is come to your user settings, which is this gear icon. And then what you want to do next to your username, you want to click onto this edit button. And you can see if I hover over this question mark, it says want to customize your tag, get Nitro. But there is a way around this. So what you need to do is actually put your tag as your username. So in this example, I would put hashtag 4371 and then enter my password and then click the done button. And if we now look, you can see that that's actually changed now. My tag's changed to hashtag 9660. If I come out of here, you can see it's changed down there. So once this is done, what you need to do is just wait about 10 to 15 minutes and you'll be able to change this username back to your actual username. It's not going to let you change it straight away just because Discord will say that you're trying to change it too fast. You'll see if I try and change it now back to what it was before. It's come up there with a message saying you are changing your username or Discord tag too fast. Try again later. But it's okay because all you need to do is just give it some time, maybe like half an hour, maybe a bit longer. And then if you come back and click edit, and then you just literally change that back to your username. And that will change it back. And obviously you've got your tag change without purchasing Discord Nitro. So that's how you do it. And I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.